Hello and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. On today's recipes, we are making smothered pork chops. We're going to get started by seasoning our meat. You can pat it dry to remove some excess moisture. Then I'm simply going in with some chicken seasoning, some ground black pepper, and some garlic powder. My favorite spice mix is usually seasoned salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, but I'm just using what I have on today. Feel free to use whatever your favorite spices are. Just make sure that your meat is well seasoned. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt. You don't want it too salty. Some of the chicken seasoning, it has some sodium in it, so just be careful with that. Gently pat your spices into the meat, and then in a medium heavy bottom saute pan, what you're going to do is add some oil. And since I had some bacon fat left over, I added a little bacon fat as well. Go ahead and place your meat in the skillet. Let it get nice and golden brown. This process should take about 4 to 6 minutes, and then you're going to flip it and let the other side cook. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the description box below what you like to serve with your smothered pork chops. Once you've sauteed both sides, remove the pork chops from the pan, place on a plate, and set aside. Now we're going to add just a little bit more cooking oil to the pan, and we're going to saute some onions and minced garlic. If you have celery, you can also add some celery. Let that saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're going to go in with your cream of celery soup and some chicken stock. You can also do cream of mushroom and cream of chicken. Whisk until combined. Add the pork chops back to the pan and include the drippings from the meat. This is just additional flavor. You're going to cover it, let it cook for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then go in and flip them over to the other side. Cover it and continue cooking until tender. You can test a piece with a fork. It should be nice and tender, and the fork should slide right through the meat, just like this. Now you can also reduce your gravy or the soup mixture. Just continue to let it cook without the lid on the pot. You can also adjust your seasonings if needed. I'm going in with a little bit more pepper, and parsley is just to make it pretty. And just a little bit more salt. Always taste as you go and adjust your seasonings. Give that a whisk and continue to let it boil and reduce and get nice and thick. And now you're ready to plate your pork chops and put the gravy right on top. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.